Good morning, day 64 of 75 hard. I was driving down the alley, leaving my house this morning. It's trash day. All the trash cans are out. And it got me thinking, once a week, we set the cans out and all the trash and all the recycling and all that stuff gets picked up and it's gone. And then we roll the cans back in, we fill them up with more shit. And then we do the same thing over and over again. But it's a great process because it allows us to get rid of trash and not hoard it, right? How often do you do that with your head trash? All that shit that swirls around in your head that tells you you're not good enough and you're not smart enough and you're not doing enough and you could have done this and you could have done that. We will always be our own worst critic. And that's totally fine. And having those thoughts is totally fine. Self-doubt and imposter syndrome and all that stuff is completely normal. But it's what we do with it that really matters. And if you let it just sit there and stew and fester and ferment and start to affect the way that you think about everything and start to affect the way that you act in this world, that's where it becomes detrimental. So today, it's trash day for us. Take out your head trash too. Write all that shit down. Say it out loud. That's the thing. You start saying that stuff out loud, a lot of it sounds real fucking ridiculous. But we got to take out that trash out of our head too, because we can't let that stuff hoard in our minds. Y'all seen the show Hoarders? You know what those houses look like. That's some bullshit. Don't let that happen in here. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later. What's up, party people? Day 64, tasks are done. Once again, before 4 o'clock, all the things are done. Water's drank, workouts are done, read the book, took the pic, ate healthy food, whatever. Beautiful weather after our dust storms the past few days. We have bright blue skies. And again, just really feeling good, strong as fuck. Had a PR on deadlift this morning. Not a PR, but I don't know, the last couple of years I haven't lifted super heavy, and that felt good as well. So just everything's clicking. When everything's clicking, you just keep doing the damn thing over and over and over again. It's the boring, unsexy work that gets you to be interesting and sexy. It's your lesson for the day. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you tomorrow.